guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to be going over Amber Glow Beetles. Joe Paulus said it is a 6-piece set, and I'm going to go ahead and swatch these out, and I'm going to add these to my collection. And you will also see these on my SD store as well. I am going to do another three designs, one concept video coming up using these colors, so you'll see these again later on. But we're going to go ahead and get these swatched out, and I'll be jumping in and out the video. And these are all the colors swatched out. I did not add a top coat for matte or glossy, so I do apologize about that. If y'all hear anything in the video besides my voice, there are kids playing outside. I can't control that, so I do apologize about that. So right now we are going to be doing some 3D maple leaves. I found these silica molds off of Amazon. I'm not sure that they're used for nail charms, but for me, if I can't find what I'm looking for, like in nail charm molds, then I will opt out to use like the ones that you would use possibly for candy or for fondant molds, and they do work well. You just use the smaller sizes that come in the set. And I'm going to be using Model 1's acrylic, and these are just random. I'm not even sure which set that they came from, but I'll try to find something similar to it and link that down below as well. So after my molds are done, I'm going to go ahead and set those aside and let those dry. By the time I need them, they're going to be completely dry and able to use. So we are going to be doing a quick gel X set. It's been so long since I've done it and I was kind of rusty. These are McCart Pump Up Nail Tips. These are full cover tips. They're technically not used for gel X nails, but you can use them. Just make sure you etch out the inside of it with a e-file or a hand file if you have one available for you. And then, of course, I do have some DUI gummy gel from Eno Couture, and I'm using that as my gel glue. As always, if you want these nails to last, you would have to do your typical prep, which will remove the shine from your nails or remove your cuticle, and then go in with your favorite primer and dehydrator, and then go in with a thin layer of base coat gel. I do have a lot of content coming up. I know I am going to do another foodie set soon. I'm not sure how I'm going to do it, but that is coming up. And I also purchased some patty gel from Eve, and that's going to be coming up as well as her dual forms. So you guys will be seeing that soon. For me, fall is actually my favorite time of the year. It's like not too cold and not too hot. It's really perfect for me. And then I like all the smells that come with fall. I'm not a big on pumpkin spice, but for me, I do like the different candles that you can get during that time of year. Like I will go in Bath and Body Works and go crazy with all the nail, excuse me, not the nail, but all the candles that you can get during this time of year. I also have a Temu haul that's coming up, and I did primarily stick with fall and Halloween theme. So that's going to be fun for you guys. So that's going to be coming up as well. And then after that, I may take a little bit of break because, like I said, it's really hard for me to get into the holiday season. It's not the same as it used to be. I came from a really big family, and we simply just don't get together like we used to. So normally around like Christmas and New Year's and stuff like that, it's kind of depressing for me. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and file after you've applied all 5 nails. And you do want to cure in your big lamp for a full 60 seconds. And then we're just going to go ahead and file. And I'm using a nail bit from Eno Couture. Excuse me. I'm not sure the size of it, but it's just a drill bit that I use to remove any extra glue that comes out around my cuticle area. After filing, I did go and wash my hands and remove all the dust and debris off of my nails. And I went in with a thin layer of base gel. So we're going to just go ahead and go in with the different colors. I picked out the dark colors, I think. And I know it was like two beige colors that I didn't use. And I just primarily stuck with the dark colors, especially this color. This color was really pretty to me. I actually thought it was like a cat eye gel polish, but when I went to go use the magnet, I think on like a tester nail, it didn't really do anything. So I think it was just like a reflective gel polish. Y'all know I'm really big on Beetles. I can't get away from it. Like there's like they are literally like my top favorite gel polish of all time, and they're cheap and affordable as well. And they're easy to use too. And these colors were really good and pigmented. For the most part, I just had to go in with one coat and I was done. And then after you're done applying your gel, and I did a cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. As you can see, my nail trims are done drying, and I'm just popping them out and putting them in my little tray. They didn't take that long to dry, and they are very easy to use, especially with that silicone mold, and they don't leave any residue or anything behind. So if you can't find what you're looking for in regular nail molds, then opt out and use the ones that you typically use for candy molds. They basically do the same thing. Right now, I am going to try to do like a little design on my thumb, the little raised wedges. I don't know what I was doing, but it's basically a fall freestyle set. I really didn't know what I wanted to do, so I was just doing a little bit of everything. At this point, I'm gonna just go on a rant. Do y'all see how clear this footage is? This is actually filmed on an Android phone. I think my last couple of videos, they were filmed on an old iPhone that my daughter had, and so I've always used Android. There is nothing wrong with them. That's my preference at the moment. And my other phone, I had a A12 Galaxy phone, and that one crapped out on me. It just stopped working and it wouldn't cut on or anything like that. So I did have to go ahead and get another phone. And now I'm on the Motor G style phone, and this is the newer phone that they have out right now. And the clarity is really clear. Like the video is insane of how clear it is versus when I was using a old iPhone or even when I used to film on my Galaxy phone when I had storage left. But yeah, so for the time being, I'm gonna be filming on my phone until it makes sense for me to get a camera. And as you can see, it's really good quality. And this is the end result. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, if you like this look or not, and if this is something that you will wear or is it practical for you guys. As always, I love you guys. Be kind to each other, and I will see you on my next one.